welcome back to my channel Sunbird Tarot, where insights take flight. And today we are going to look into the reading of my dear Scorpios, and it is an water element sign. Also, you can look into this reading as per your sun sign, your moon sign, or your rising sign according to your astrological chart. And we will pull out the guidance that we have for my dear Scorpios for the month of June 2025. Thank you. Okay, we have our card. What is the guidance for Scorpios in the month of June? Okay, we have zebra. Can you see this? As if you are opening your mind, your third eye. We have cleansing waters. Purification activates vibrant life force. Okay. We have domination. Number 9. As if you're I'm thinking this to be your shadow, and you pulling your shadow, you dominating your shadow in this month. Okay, we will look out for more guidance. And what is the guidance for my Scorpios in the month of June? What can my Scorpios expect? Sorry, in the month of June. What can my Scorpios expect in the month of June? Yes. Okay, so we have 5 of Wands. Conflicted, feeling conflicted in the past. 6 of Wands. And presently, you are working upon your things that didn't work out in the past, but now you are as I can see, you are dominating your shadow. So this is something that was hidden for a quite long time, and you were unable to understand what this thing was. But maybe now in the month of June, you are coming into a realization that it is something within. We have zebra here, and you are looking within. You are opening your intuition. You are working on your crown chakra, and maybe you are meditating as well these days. And it is something that you are looking within. If the problem lies not in the outward, but something that can be cured within. Yes, that is what is coming up. We have 5 of coins, and it says 5 of pentacles. Okay, we have the justice. We have 7 of pentacles, and we have the tower. Okay, so my dear Scorpios, what I am picking up right now is that maybe in the past there was something that you didn't had balance on. Maybe it was something that maybe felt like that something needs to be balanced, and something needs to be given the equal priority to one thing and to the other. And I'm getting that in this month, maybe you have been sensing some shifts in you, that you are taking change, and you are working upon yourself, and somewhere you are getting back on your balance. This is 7 of pentacles. You are this person is taking up the apples, whichever apples he feels are good and ripen enough. Okay, so I can see that there is something that you are leaving back, things that did not serve you, or maybe were hampering your balance with the things that you have at hand. And also, maybe you will be feeling like that there is some change that you have made, and you are taking things that are good enough for you or are working for you, and leaving the rest behind. Yes, and we have 5 of pentacles. Right below, we have the tower. Okay, so something you know uh, came to me straight away, was that there is something that you have that you will be walking away from. There is something, and this what I'm picking up. I can see that there is an. I can see that there is here this bucket empty, and we have some coins here, and she has her eyes closed. So maybe there is something that you won't look upon. There is something that you won't care about if it is, getting lost, or if it is getting spilled. There is something you closing your eyes upon or turning your back upon, and that thing is, somewhere giving a generation to some foundation that won't be the tower. I mean that some foundation that won't be easily broken, like the easily broken, like the tower gets broken, and we have to say snakes entangled here. So maybe there is something that you are holding. Maybe there is something which you are not tapping into, and that is helping you somewhere to maintain the balance that you need in your life. And also in this card, we have the scroll, we have this moon and the star, and we have this cross. So different religions, I can see for most of you, you can also be someone who's multitasker, who's the one who likes to take things in hand and do them multitasking. Maybe you are a cook, maybe you are a person who's handling so many things at the same time, and due to so many things at the same time, there is something that is not in harmony with the balance, and you are closing your eyes upon it, you are not looking in, which ultimately is giving you a new beginning in the month of June. And we have the cleansing water as well. So there is a purification that is going on with you in this June, my dear Scorpios. And as you are the water sign, and it is the cleansing of the water that is being done, and it is activating a sort of force which is vibrant. We have these vibrant colors right in the center of this zebra, and it says maybe you are tapping into your light, the light you carry within, and the balance and the abilities you have just by being into your intuition, just by being working upon the things that you feel are right for you, and they ultimately give you the right results. Yes. So this is what I am picking up for you, my dear Scorpios. Okay, so last but not the least, we have our guidance cards, and we will look into for further guidance that what do we have in store for my dear Scorpios. Goddess of the moon. Okay. Moon, okay. The guidance here is that, moon is again emotions. Water is emotions. Water is, uh, you know, flowy energy, and it can change its form, it can take any shape, and so is the moon. It changes every 2 days, and it uh, comes back into its forms after completely being disappeared. So something that I can see is that the disappearing that you are doing right now in this month of June, maybe it can be related to anything that you are in right now, but I am seeing this is something that is causing you to not have the balance, and you are making it disappear from your life, and that thing is going to give you a ultimate feeling of reaching into your power, connecting with your intuition, also allowing you to feel all kinds of feeling and still be calm, still be there peacefully. So this is what I see, my dear Scorpios, for you in the month of June. Here I see you exactly at your reading, and I hope it resonates with you, and if it does, please like and subscribe my channel, and I will see you in your next reading. Till then, bye bye.